Hey guys, this is a live box break on Blog TV with Casey Myers 9528. This is for a 2011 playoff contenders hobby box break. We have the list right here of who had what. I hope you can read it. Okay, let's get started. Good luck, everybody. Yeah, hi. They didn't sell, but I'm kind of a Ravens fan, and I'm kind of glad they didn't sell. So I like to keep them. That's why I didn't want to sell them. Okay, first pack. We have Ryan Fitzpatrick for the Bills, Michael Vick for the Eagles. We have 2011 rookie draft class, Broncos, Von Miller and Raheem Moore. We have Javi Best for the Lions, Rashard Mendenhall for the Steelers. Next pack, we have Mike Williams for the Bucks, Carson Palmer for the Raiders. We have a Super Bowl ticket for the Broncos, Rod Smith. We have Marshawn Lynch for the Seahawks, Miles Austin for the Cowboys. We have Marcus Colston for the Saints. We have Willis McGahee for the Broncos. Here's your first auto for the Rams. Glad you picked that up because it would be mine. Robert Quinn for the Rams. That's nice. I haven't seen a lot of Robert Quinn. That's a good pickup. There's your first auto. It's a sticker auto. Drew Brees for the Saints. Kyle Orton for the Chiefs. We have Brandon Marshall for the Dolphins, Santana Moss for the Redskins. We have legendary contenders for the Patriots, and it is Irving Fryer. Nice little card. We have Mark Sanchez for the Jets, and we have Maurice Jones-Drew for the Jags. We have Danny Amendola for the Rams, Hakeem Nicks for the Giants. We have a Daniel Thomas Rookie of the Year Contenders card. We have Tavares Jackson for the Seahawks, and Eli Manning for the Giants. Next pack, we have Ray Maluga for the Bengals, Matt Ryan for the Falcons. We have a rookie roll call, Aaron Williams for the Bills. We have Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals, and Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. We have Anquan Bolden for the Ravens, Aaron Rodgers for the Packers, Aaron Foster for the Texans, Sean Green for the Jets, and Sue for the Lions. We have Steven Jackson for the Rams, We have Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles. Here's your next auto. We have Buster Skrine for the Browns. Are you serious? Did you just get Indy? Nice pickup, buddy. Nice pickup. I don't even know who this guy is, and I'm like addicted to football. I have no idea who this guy is. Maybe I'm dumb, but here you go. It's our second auto. We have Chad Ochocinco for the Patriots and Marion Barber for the Bears. Lee Evans for the Ravens. Michael Finley for the Packers. We have NFL 2011 rookie draft class, Houston Texans, J.J. Watt and Brandon Harris for the Texans. Peyton Hillis for the Browns. Angelo Williams for the Panthers. We have Pierre Thomas for the Saints. Jamal Charles for the Chiefs. For the Colts, we have John Mackey, Super Bowl ticket. The dude's nice. I used to watch film with him. Andre Johnson for the Texans. Des Bryant for the Cowboys. We have Fred Jackson for the Bills. Andre Caldwell for the Bengals. We have a legendary Contenders, Tom Rathman. We have Tom Brady for the Patriots. Calvin Johnson for the Lions. We have Dallas Clark for the Colts. LeGarrette Blount for the Buccaneers. Oh, here we go. Look at this, guys. Kansas City Chiefs. And it's a Super SP. No Riddell on the helmet. And it's an on-card auto. Jonathan Baldwin. Wow. Dude, do I have a hot hand tonight or what? Man, I need to go buy some boxes. Seriously, for myself. This card is going to be worth something pretty good. Trust me. Wow. Wow. Right there, guys. Who had that? Who picked up Kansas City? Chiefs. K and Mom. Right there, buddy. Right there. That's our third auto. Kenny Britt for the Titans. And Vernon Davis for the 49ers. We have Darren McFadden for the Raiders. Stevie Johnson for the Bills. We have AJ Green, Rookie of the Year Contenders card. Felix Jones for the Cowboys. And we have Percy Harvin for the Vikings. I gotta hurry up. We're almost up to 10 minutes. D'Angelo Hall for the Redskins. Cedric Benson for the Bengals. Legendary Contenders for the Rams. Deacon Jones. Mercedes Lewis for the Jaguars. And Kevin Kolb for the Cardinals. I'm gonna have to stop the video in like 20 seconds after this pack and put another video in. Michael Jenkins for the Vikings. Reggie Wayne for the Colts. Rookie roll call for the Jets, Bilal Powell. Noshawn Moreno for the Broncos. And Sidney Rice for the Falcons. The Seahawks. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. I'm going to stop it and get another one.